So, freezer meals aren't a new thing, but that convenient approach to home cooking is seeing a resurgence thanks in part to a cooking class that modern mamas are going crazy for. So it's part meal prep, part girlfriend's night out. I recently went to see what a citrus pear class was all about. Take a look. Okay, so today I am with my sister Lindsay. We're at Lee's Marketplace in North Salt Lake for a citrus pear cooking class. This is a class that pairs convenience with health, both something that we could both use more of.
I'm the mom of 3 young kids, so as many of you know, getting dinner on the table every night is no easy task.
You need something that's quick, easy to pull together.
Something yummy.
Something that my husband and my kids will both eat.
I think you just described Chick-fil-A.
Something I don't have to leave home to get.
There it is.
I'm Mackenzie Rockwood and I'm the founder of Citrus Pear. So you just show up with a box, a cooler, something like that, and we have everything laid out for you, all the ingredients. We have 10 meals planned, and you can decide if you want to make 10 meals that feed a larger family, like 6 to 8 people, or 20 meals that feed a smaller family of 3 to 4 people. And we have everything prepped and ready for you, and you just assemble your meals in about 2 hours and you're done. It's kind of turned into a girls' night out, you know. People come with their groups of friends and it's their night away from their families and their kids, and then they're getting meals prepped and ready to take home as well. And so it's been a fun thing for us because we kind of get to join in on their girls' night.
I just made dinner twice in 5 minutes. It's a race.
There are some small things you can do to make your dinner time meals healthier. If you can choose a stronger flavored cheese, you generally can use about half the amount and stretch it longer, so then you get the flavor without having as much calories and fat. So rice is a common one that a lot of our meals are served with, and white rice isn't always the best choice because it's higher in carbohydrates and kind of empty calories. So we recommend brown rice, but a lot of people don't love the flavor. So some options are to do half white and half brown rice. So just mix them together, and then you can still get some of the benefits of that brown rice. Or you can cook it in chicken broth or beef broth, and that just gives it a little bit more flavor. Just adding veggies to every meal just increases the nutrients and makes it stretch farther. You can always decrease the amount in your, chilies or tacos or any Mexican style dish and add beans. Beans are a great source of fiber, a great source of protein, have a lot of nutrients.
I'm self-conscious with you videoing my knife skills because they aren't good. Look away.
Like face down like that, right?
Yeah.
My goal with these classes is to make dinner time healthier and easier for families. So it'll be kid-friendly, it'll be just fine if you take all the seeds and the lining out, okay? I'm so happy that people are grasping the idea of trying to get these healthy meals into their homes and making it easy and convenient, and that was the goal.
Done. Done. Okay, in case you couldn't tell, we had a blast at that class. It totally defined the phrase girlfriend's night out. We laughed so hard, and to go home with that cooler full of food, full of meals, was just amazing. I've made a couple of the meals so far, and by made, I mean thrown them in the crock pot, turned it on, and then come home to have dinner done, and they've been delicious, they've been great. You also are sent this little take-home shopping list, so you're given, it's spelled out for you, the little extras you pick up to make those meals complete. I love it, it was so great. So far, Citrus Pear classes are available in Idaho Falls, Cache Valley, North Ogden, and North Salt Lake, and they're opening in St. George later this month. If you want more information, look for the link on the Studio 5 website.